Okay, so this is the plant I was talking about. This is the Best Dressed Chicken Spring Village plant. It's a huge facility, well laid out. We can't enter the facility, but we'll drive by and then we'll talk about it some more. And this is where the processed chicken. It's a Best Dressed Chicken is it's probably the largest supplier or one of the largest suppliers of chicken and eggs in Jamaica. Unfortunately, this part of the road isn't very good, but the entire facility on the left is theirs. And then on the right, they have chicken, where the facilities where they raise the chickens. We're not going to go any further down, but this will just give you an idea of just how large their facility is. So this factory now would be the lifeline for this community. Many persons in the community would work here, and a lot of persons from outside the community would come and work here. So you'd find all the areas directly around the plant are benefiting from it. On the left is some of these modern day chicken, I don't even call them coops anymore, I'm not sure what you call them. But these facilities are fully computerized. Let's give you an example of what it looks like. It's not like the days where a farmer would go out and feed their chickens. I'm not sure what you call them, but these facilities are fully computerized. And one of these, probably chicken houses, I guess, could hold thousands of chickens. Alright, we're going to turn back around now and go and take another look at the plant. But this is just one example of what the chicken houses look like. So you would set the computer, and at a certain time the food will be dispensed down a track and the chickens eat it. If their temperature changes, the fans come on and cool down the house. Anything happens, an alarm is sent on, somebody comes and checks on it. Fully computerized operation, and thousands of chickens are in each house. At a certain time of the day, the blinds would come down. If the temperature gets too hot, the blinds would come down and the fans come on. Real modern stuff. Okay, straight ahead now is the plant, the Best Dressed Chicken plant, the Spring Village plant. As we said, it's a massive operation. And this is the kind of infrastructure or manufacturing plants that we need around the island. As we said at the beginning of the video, you build it on the outskirts of a major town, so you have transport and you have roads, you have infrastructure, you have the banks in the main town, and then the people come here and work, and it builds the community. So this is why they're always saying they want foreign investment so people can come and build something like this to help expand the country. Local companies do it as well, but as you can imagine, the cost of building something like this is enormous. But it pays back for itself, because it's this Best Dressed Chicken. If they're not the largest, they are the second largest supplier of chicken in Jamaica. And I'm not sure, well, there is a law that prevents the importation of chicken in Jamaica. So such a facility, you can't go wrong. this, you can't import chicken into Jamaica. I'm not sure if it's what happened with COVID, but I don't think it changed. I think recently there was something on the news about importing chicken parts because of the supply and demand, blah blah blah. But you have to ask yourself a question. If the okay, there you can see the trucks with the chickens in it where they weigh them. Why not build another plant like this somewhere else in Jamaica so you can increase the supply? I don't know. I know there's a cost, but you're going to make back the money. No doubt chicken will sell in Jamaica, especially if you cannot import chicken. So we need to look into why these companies don't expand or why there isn't a third major chicken player. Alright, so we're driving back towards the Old Harbour Main Road, or the Old Harbour Road. And this is the Spring Village area. And after we leave Spring Village, we're going to go into Gutters. And then, as we pass through Gutters, we get back to the Old Harbour Road. As we were saying, we need more investment like that plant. I mean, with the shortage of chicken now, to the point where you have to import chicken parts, you should build another facility like that in another community in Jamaica. It would do wonders for the development of the country. But somebody's probably saying, well, you know, to take one time to build a plant and two, the money, when we could just go to the government and ask them to allow us to import chicken parts. Yes, it's a catch-22. But I am all for developing Jamaica, so I would say build another plant. It's going to give people jobs, it's going to build a community around it. And as we say, you're not going to lose money, because at the end of the day, the chicken will sell. And Jamaica will help in its development. Alright, so we're now in the Gutters area, and Gutters is a small town or district between Spanish Town and Old Harbour in the St. Catherine parish. Alright guys, we're coming up to the intersection with the Old Harbour Road now. So thanks for watching the video. Leave your comments about what you think about those best dressed chicken plants in Spring Village, sorry. I don't know why I keep calling it Valley. And also your thoughts on the government allowing people to import chicken. I mean, one example was build another plant. What you guys think about that? Building another plant or importing the chicken parts? Alright, so straight ahead, that's the Old Harbour Road. So we're going to continue our journey to Old Harbour. So thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.